Question to Bangladesh government about Rakhine Army. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Sharif, Arkham Times Media. Question to Republic of Bangladesh government and people about Rakhine Army entering illegal in Bangladesh area Bandarban. Question of consensus, the countryman. How did the Rakhine Army get the courage infiltrate Bangladesh? What were the government of Bangladesh, BJP, military forces doing at that time? This is an obsolete feature, the present government and military forces. The Republic of Bangladesh people want to know, declare a statement, the current government and military forces about this, the Rakhine rebel group matters. We demand the government to take proper action against corrupt and international illegal activists, the Rakhine Army AA. In Hali, Sitagong area includes Bandarban. As 16 and 17, uniform and armed, the Rakhine Army AA violate the sovereignty of Bangladesh border. We strongly condemn and protest against the Rakhine Army AA in the incident entering to Bangladesh to celebrate water festival with government, BJP and local tribes. The Rakhine Army AA shared the picture of water festival on social media account. Political branch, the Rakhine Army ULA and local peoples participate in water festival in Bangladesh area includes Bandarban. It's like politician. Republic of Bangladesh government and people must be awareness this incident a deadly threat to concern the Bangladesh freedom and sovereignty. Thank you so much for everyone. Arkham Times news viewers, followers, like, comment, share. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Muhammad Sharif, Arkham Times Media.